Hello everyone, welcome back to this sewing channel, and today we are going to be making this lovely portable case holder for your eyeglasses. I know what you are thinking. You are seeing this border here. You don't need to be scared about this. Yes, it is a project that you can practice how to add padding into your project. Trust me. I'm sorry? Who are you to be trusted? I was, or I am, a beginner like you. Everyone starts from zero. So I can tell you, binding is all about practice. You will see. As you can see, it is a great way to add accent and details into your project, like this one. I will leave the pattern in the description below. It's total free. You just need to click and download it. So no more talking, and let's jump on this sewing project. For our portable case holder, we are going to need our pattern. The pattern is total free. I will leave the link on the description below. We are going to need some bias tape, a zipper measuring 40 centimeters, a puller, and a piece of fabric where you can draw your pattern. So this one has 23 centimeters per 22 centimeters. I have done a decorative quilt. I done it like a sandwich. I put the lining fabric, the interfacing and the main fabric, and I did a decorative quilt. I have a video show how to make different decorative quilts. I will leave the link on the description below as well if you want to watch it later. So for now, let's go start to make our portable case holder. First of all, we are going to draw our pattern into our main fabric. Now let's make a suture all over the lines. So now our fabric is ready to work. Now we are going to apply our bias. So we are going to open our bias. It has like a wrinkle here. So we are going to match this edge on this edge over here. And then we are going to make a suture all over the wrinkle, all over until the end. So all done here. So it's very important to match the edge of the bias on the edge of the fabric. Here it's going to have some wrinkles here, but it's okay. When we go to folder, it's going to be perfect. So now let's do the same thing on this side. Now we have our bias all applied. Now we are going to fold it for the other side. Make sure the sutures are good. And we are going to fold this, covering the suture we done on the other side. So if the bias tape stay like this, this suture will be shown. So we need to make sure the suture is covered. We are going to apply some pins all over. All done. Now we are going to get our zipper and we are going to separate it. And now we are going to front the zipper facing up, and we are going to apply it here. Make sure this edge is matching with the zipper all the way around our piece. All right, now let's do the same thing on that side. It's all finished now. Now we are going to fold this in half. Make sure these edges are matching very well. Let's put a clip here. This side, the same thing. And now let's apply our puller. So we are going to cut a little bit here. So now we are going to hold on, and now we are going to apply it again and leave the puller on the middle of our portable case holder. We need to turn our piece backwards very carefully because we don't want to open all the zipper. And now we are going to open like this, and we are going to make a suture here. So I have done on both sides, and now we are going to apply a little bit of the bias here to make a good finish. I'm going to fold the bias in and then again, and let's make a suture. So let's turn our piece back and I will show you all the results. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give us your thumbs up. It really does help YouTube to share our channel to the world. World? Really? We never know. So please, on the comments below, tell me which country are you watching us so we can see as far it goes. And dreaming, it's like the subscribe button. It's total free. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next easy sewing project. And I will see you on the next video. Mwah! See ya!